Sorry about that. No sleep. Jesse, we are knuckles deep inside of your pug reverb. That little dog. Little dog. Lil. It's a grammatical contraction. You guys look that up. So, partner Spaghetti, we are essentially monitoring your bias voltage with the stock 120 ohm 10 watt resistor there. And you're seeing a millivolt reading because we're in standby. Let's switch her off. We're got about 358 plate volts here. So keep that in mind. I should set up the other meter, but don't have time. So do the math. You're looking at 12.5 volts DC going across the cathode there. And that puts us over the 100% max plate dissipation reading for this particular power amp configuration by 40.3%, something like that. Way too hot. This is pretty much the condition that your older tubes were operating in for quite some time, so it's not a bit of strange or unexpected news that you're saying she just doesn't sound as healthy as she used to. All the caps and resistors are within tolerance. It's just the operating condition for these tubes. She's running super hot, man. So no doubt she was sounding nice and juicy in the beginning, and then she just started slipping away. A lot of life left in the cathodes of those original, or maybe original to you, Sovtech EL84s. However, there's a lot of grid conduction going between the elements. So, you know, a life run hard's gonna cause that stuff to happen. That basically the electron emitting substance that's coated on that cathode ends up migrating over to the grid structures and then start conducting themselves. So that's the fun stuff. And the main reason why we have to replace those tubes. That's a large video I sent you with the testing, pretty in depth. Maybe I'll have to chop it down a bit, or just send you a cloud link, or just upload it to YouTube or something. But I'll get it over to you so you can have a peek. But anyway, we are gonna experiment to lower this bias voltage down so we can get some good tube life and great tone at the same time. And it looks like we're still upside down on my phone, so we'll sort it out. Bye-bye.
Frank! Frank! Oh my God.